And like all soft digital gold, the pessimists call it fool's gold.
Is one Bitcoin 500k within 3 years? If not, I will eat my dick on national television. One Bitcoin, how much is Bitcoin now? 53k. It's been 3 years. This guy needs to eat his own dick, bro, on national television, bro. Who is John McAfee? Oh, he's already, wait, he's dead? Oh, fuck. Wait, really? Oh, fuck, he died. Okay, let's move on, bro. Let's move on. Dude, okay, Philip. Yo, Philip, you wanna show them your resume? We can go over your resume. We did mine last time.
Sure, yeah. I guess I just share
bro,
it.
Alright, chat. Look at Philip's resume, bro. This guy is stacked. Alright, chat. This is Philip's resume.
This is the resume I applied with.
He's using like a 2-column style.
Yo, this is actually such bad. Like 2-column is awful for like parsers. Like you should not use 2-column anymore.
I know a lot of people uses 2 columns, so it's like it's pretty common. But like I would also recommend to use just 1 column because it's just like it's more basic and default. And the point of the resumes is just to get your point across, right? Like you want to show them the content is king here, not the presentation.
Yeah, I think projects are enough to get your internship usually. Like if you have like a legit projects. Like 5 of them or 6, like it's enough. Like all they care about is if you know what you're doing.
See, I don't put more than 2 projects on my resume.
Yeah, but if you have like 0 experience.
Oh yeah, if you have no experience, then yeah, go ahead, like put the projects. I mean, that's how you get your first internship is with the projects. That's how I did it. That's how Philip did it.
Wait, I sent you a new resume. Look at the newest link.
Okay, Philip, new resume. There's no docs.
It's basically same info, but like the format. Which format is perfect?
So this is like similar to mine. Wait, did you use latex for this?
Yeah, I use latex for all my resumes.
Okay, but here's the thing, bro. Like, if you're aiming for maximum like safety of being scanned by bots, don't use latex.
No, this is the best. No, like latex is like it's fine, bro.
Latex sometimes is not recognized by the Autobots. So if you're aiming for that, just don't use latex. Use normal Microsoft Word. Really simple. Okay, chat. For those of you who weren't there when I showed my resume, let me show mine. And mine is extremely basic. Extremely basic. Because I feel like the point of the resume is to get to the content. I want it to be as simple as possible. Basically, it's pretty similar, right, to what Philip just showed now. But mine is in like basic Microsoft Word. So this is the most basic like resume format, right? You just put the education, you put the experience, you put the projects. I got this format from a Google employee and HR. When you look at this straight away, like at least for me, the first thing you see is like the education, and then directly you go into the experience and you look at the experience stuff. Whereas in the first Philip one, like this, UI wise, it looks more pleasing to the eye, but where like it's harder to see, like where do I look, like where do I start?
I don't know, like I've talked to so many recruiters and they both told me they actually liked my resume, like the first one.
Dude, no one, they're not gonna say I like this one too.
No, they've said like they actually legit said they preferred this one.
The thing is, like, you can ask people all you want, like this is subjective. Some people are gonna prefer this one because this one is good too. Like both are literally good, but it all comes down to like which one do you think it's more simpler to read, to get to the content? Because you can find like recruiters that will like both, and hiring managers that, like, you say you asked recruiters and they said like they like this one. But it's like I said, literally the Google hiring manager with like he partnered with a Tesla recruiter, and they promoted this format that I literally took, and that post on LinkedIn had like tens of thousands of likes. So you can find anyone who says anything.
The whole point of having a resume is to differentiate yourself and show your experience. Like in person, the experience I've had when you're actually giving a resume is that you like once you don't have the typical resume format, like they'll remember you. And online applications, the way to go is actually 1 column. Like I've talked with a few recruiters, and that's actually the consensus. Like you want to, like in person, whenever you give these resumes, if ever you do, you need to differentiate yourself, and that's how I did. I made a 2-column. Resume.
I don't know if I agree with that. Like I feel like in person you differentiate yourself by what how you present yourself, what you're saying to the recruiter. It's not it's not how your resume looks that differentiates yourself.
But the whole point of in person career fairs is you have to be special, right, Pan? Because Pan, you already look, dude. You don't have to try that hard to be special. You know why? Dude, you're fucking 6'5". Yo, this guy's walking and everybody notices him. Like, what does he? Obviously, you don't have to do that, bro. Yo, I'm 5'7". I'm a typical Asian dude. Yo, I gotta show difference somehow.
I really do believe that the content is king. Like you are not a UX designer, okay? You're not applying to be a UX designer. You're applying to be a software engineer. Okay? It's not about how it looks. It's about the content. The only thing that matters about the look is how easy is it to see the content itself, right? Tech lead himself. You guys know Tech lead, right? He has a video on this stuff on resume. Look at Tech lead's resume. He has the most simple resume I've ever seen in my life. Let's see, Mr. Tech Lead. What is his resume?
For the technical coding interview.
Tech Lead is a sociopath. Maybe, okay, maybe he's a sociopath. Maybe he's scamming thousands of people. But you cannot deny the fact that he was a tech lead at Facebook and Google. Like he knows something about this shit. Look at how simple this looks. Like I think this is the way to go. Like something like similar to this, right? Very simple and direct. Like when you go in here, you're not confused. Nothing is trying to distract your attention. Like you directly go into bam. You know, what is the first experience? What is the second one? You're looking from top to bottom, right? Have you guys used GitHub Code? I have not. I actually applied for it and I think I got it, but okay, wait, I can actually install it. Install Git pilot. Yo, installing this shit right now. I won't have to code anymore. Yeah, boy. How do I activate it? Do I have to activate it? Write a function header of 3 sum. What? Wait, where did it go? What? Okay, wait, let's try something else. Trapping rainwaters? No, wait, no, it's trapping rainwaters. Function, trapping rainwaters. Control enter. Synthesizing 8 to 10 solution. Wait a second, this is the solution I wrote. Bro, what if I use this during my job interview? I have this on the side and I just write the question in and I see if Copilot can detect it. I'm just kidding. I'm never going to do that. I will never cheat. They gave the entire React code for a YouTube app. No way. Build YouTube. There's no way this works. There's no way this works, right? Build video streaming service. Philip?
It's face detection, sir. Dude! Yo, we go to every hackathon, we win every prize. What the fuck, dude?
Yo, our jobs are gone, bro. What the fuck is this?
Wait, ask them.
Listen, chat, we're fine. We're fine, all right? We're fine. It still needs programmers to check if this code is valid, right? Even if it generates the whole thing, they still need us. We are still needed. We are still the #1 demanded job on this planet.
Pan, I'm gonna ask you some behavioral questions.
All right, go.
Just to understand you a bit more. It's like behavioral questions, that you'd receive at a FANG. I want to see how you answer. Are you ready?
No.
Describe a time when there was conflict within your team.
You asshole, bro. That's my question. Okay, let me tell you about this time, all right? This is the interviewer passer answer, okay? Are you guys ready? I haven't even given this response in a while, so I don't know if I'll be straight with it, but watch this, all right? So, there was this one time where I was working in a group project at school. And it was the first time I was building a website, and so was my teammates. We were all new to web development. We had to build this website, which was essentially a grocery store. I really cared about this project because I wanted it to be amazing, and so I can put it on my resume and get my first internship. So I really worked hard on this project, and I took lead. Now, at one point, we were working on this part of the website, which was the shopping, the checkout page. And everyone was working on a separate page or different functionalities. And this one teammate was working on the checkout page. And she had a lot of difficulties working on that page, right? A lot of difficulty, and she wasn't able to make it responsive, most of it. I said, okay, let me help you. But upon looking at her code, she was using a lot of different things than the rest of us. For example, we were using Bootstrap to make the page responsive, which made it a lot easier. And on her page, it was a lot of like HTML elements and a bunch of stuff that made it really difficult to solve. And we spent some time working on it together, but it didn't work out. So I proposed, what if I just remake the whole page? It would be much simpler. and we can finish this in time. So I went ahead and remade the whole page, and it worked, and it was responsive. At this point, she was really upset at me. She was like, how can you do that? You made the whole page yourself, blah, 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 blah. And at first I was really confused. I was like, I'm helping the team, I'm helping you. Why are you upset at me for me helping you? And then I realized, oh, it's because she spent all her time working on a page and I essentially trashed it, right? So she spent all this work on doing something that wasn't used. So obviously she's upset. So I understood. Upon speaking in DMs with her privately, I noticed something else. She was also upset because I was putting a lot of pressure on her and she felt stressed and too much pressure to be working on this project. So from there on, I understood and I said, that's fine. I won't put as much expectations on you. We can work together from here on onwards. If you have trouble, let me know. We can work together to solve them. And at the end, we got 100% on the project. We did very well. And from this, I learned something. I learned that before you start a project, you should really learn about your teammates' goals, because your teammates' goals tells you how much effort they're going to put in that project. And then you can set your expectations appropriately. I passed. Any interview, I pass. I literally passed. Try human benchmark? I would probably suck at it, to be honest.
Yo, no, do it now.
I would
Do it
suck.
now.
Do it now. When the box turns green, click as quickly as you can. All right, here we go. Is this fast? Dude, I'm so fast.
No, bro,
I'm
it's
fast,
so
bro.
bad. Oh my
I'm
god.
crazy, bro. 300 milliseconds. I'm so crazy, dude.
300
Let's go again.
milliseconds.
Dude, I'm actually crazy. Let's go again. 200, bro.
my-
I'm actually kidding, bro. I think this
No,
is a
you're
world
actually
record.
so
This is a world
slow,
record.
bro.
200 is pro Valorant.
Bro, you're so bad.
Go again.
You're below average. He's gonna keep doing this until he predicts it. That's basically it.
240. 240. I think my mouse is like kind of slow because it's like an old mouse.
Your copium.
No, it is a trust. Oh my god.
Bro, me, it's like, I'm like, oh my god, I'm pretty bad.
Wait, why am I getting 500, bro? 500 status code, bro. I'm getting internal
Holy
server.
shit, man. What is
I'm getting
wrong with
internal
you?
server error, bro. Let's try aim trainer. Ooh. I used to be a professional FPS player, so I should be pretty good at this. Watch this. Boom, 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 boom. Pretty good, huh?
You can look at the graphs, bro.
Oh,
It's
fuck.
the average.
This is worse than average. I don't play FPS games anymore. I play like League of Legends, so usually my memory's better now. So let's try memory sequences. Boom. Oh fuck! What was the second one? Oh shit, bro. Level 9?
What's
Fuck,
the average, man?
It's level 9, bro. I'm average. I'm an
No.
average
You have to
Andy,
look at
bro.
the median.
Average Andy, bro. I'm
I see
average
that.
Andy.